Hi everyone, again welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very happy because slowly my subscribers are increasing and I hope you're doing well. So that's why I came with a new video. So let's begin with it. So as you're seeing here, this is the SAS studio which we are going to practice. So let's begin. So first, to write a program, where you'll go means go top here. You, as you're seeing now, this one is new options. Click on it and click new SAS program file. After that, you can see the screen over here. So code means in which you can write the program here, right? You can write whatever text you want. And log means it will display the errors, warning notes, whatever. When you run your program, it will display this one. And result, it will display in the table of contents like this. I'll show you. Okay, so let's begin with it. As you can see here, this is a simple program for your basic understanding I'm explaining. So listen carefully. Okay, so data is a keyword. SAS programs begin with the keyword data and dataset name, anything you can give. I'm giving test. Okay, then semicolon. Program ends with a semicolon. Program statements ends with a semicolon. Clear? Now, input. Input is a keyword which is used to create the variables. Variables are what? Name, age, sex. And these variables are nothing but the columns. Okay, so in the columns, this is a character variable, age is a numeric variable, and sex is a character variable. That's why I'm adding $sign over here. Okay, clear? Next, cards. Cards is nothing but data lines or cards, whatever you can write it out. Cards is nothing but it will displays the, it reads the observations. Okay, cards reads the observation. So name I'm writing Sana, age 34 and sex female. Like that you can give number of observations over here. Okay, we have only 4 observations. I have given only 4 observations for you for the basic understanding. Okay, and the real time projects you have a lot of observations. For the basic understanding I'm explaining here. So after that I'll run this program, see what it will display. This run boy symbol is there, no? That one you need to run. See, you got it? Yes, total 4 rows, 3 columns. It's saying now I'm writing proc print data is equals to test. Test is nothing but the dataset name. Okay, then semicolon and run semicolon. When you run this, it will display in the results window. Just wait. Yeah. See, you can see how nicely it has displayed in a table format, right? Okay. So if you don't want observations 1, 2, 3, 4, then you can write simply here no ops. No ops means no observations. Don't display the observations. It will show you like this. Okay. See, observations has gone. Yes. So this is a simple program. Now, you can read the data set from the external file also. Okay, so external file is nothing but which is stored in the library. Okay, that one also you can read it. So say here reading data sets from the external file. Proc print data is equals to sashelp.class semicolon. So this is nothing but the data set names which is stored in the SAS help library. Okay, so when I run this, See, this is nothing but a class data set which is stored in the SAS help library. Okay, you have got clearly, right? Next is nothing but, in this way you can read the dataset from the external file. Okay, dataset name is KK. Okay, I'm writing here set sashelp.class semicolon. This set is nothing but it is used to read the data from the external file. Okay, then run semicolon. After that I'm writing procprint data, and KK is nothing but the dataset name which I'm giving here. Okay, then run semicolon. When I run this, you just try to see here. When I run this, it will display like this. Okay, so today I'll end up with this. This is a simple program, and we have learned reading dataset from the external file, and yes, how to create a new dataset by reading the dataset from the external file.
Thank you for subscribing, and in upcoming videos I'll come with new concepts. Thank you.